Hi there, I'm Carrie Lawless, and today I have a beautifully remodeled, move-in ready, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home to show you in Lacombe. Not only does it have a brand new roof, it also has brand new Anderson windows all the way around. It even sits on an oversized lot, has rear yard access, an attached garage, and a separate workshop. There is so much to love about this home. Let's go on in and take a look. Walking into this home is like a breath of fresh air. So everything has been completely repainted this light neutral color. The living room is so spacious, so much room for seating. It has the high vaulted ceiling that even adds to that spacious feel. Another great thing about this home is that the floor plan is completely open, so as you walk in, you can see all the way through to the kitchen. Now we're stepping into the dining area, and that flows seamlessly into this wonderfully functional kitchen. So right here to my left is a nice sized pantry, and then over here to my right, we have a really functional pantry cabinet that also has roll-out shelving, one of my favorite things. And I also love the warmth of the neutral tones of this space. So it's not only in the cabinetry, but then it carries through to the countertops and even around through the backsplash. There are stainless appliances, and I think another one of my favorite things about this space is this massive window right above the sink. It has a beautiful view of nature, but also lets in so much natural light. All right, there's still so much more to see. Another really great feature of this home is that it offers a split floor plan. So now as we head back to the front of the house, we're in the first of the 3 bedrooms. Now I love that this room offers some really nice architectural details like that charming arched window behind me. And then there's also this really nice vaulted ceiling that helps add visually to the space. Now we're entering into the shared bath, which is again freshly repainted, so light, bright, and airy, and has a tub and shower combination behind me. Now heading into the second of the 3 bedrooms, one of the things I wanted to point out is that there's no carpet anywhere in this entire house, including all of the bedrooms. All right, now we're gonna take a look at the primary suite. We're heading all the way to the other side of the house to take a look at the primary suite. But before we get there, I wanna point out a couple of great features. So right here to my right is a spacious utility or linen closet, but it can also be used as pantry overflow. Now right here to my left is the laundry, and what I love about this is how conveniently located it is. It's right between the primary suite and the kitchen, which I think is really great for functionality. Now we're heading into the primary bedroom. One of the great things about this house is that there is no popcorn ceiling here, including this room, which has a beautiful vaulted ceiling. It's also very spacious, lots of room for a king-size bed and additional furniture, and there's even a very large walk-in closet right here to my left. All right, we're gonna take a look at the ensuite next. There's so much to love about this space. So first of all, we have this nice espresso colored vanity with lots of drawer storage, which I love. There's this nice neutral countertop, a huge mirror, and so much lighting for the vanity. Now as we step over to this side, we have the deep soaking tub, beautiful tile all the way up to the charming beadboard ceiling that even has crown molding detail. All right, let's go take a look at the outside. Before we take a look at the outside, I have to show you this attached garage. So technically it's a 1-car garage, but it is massive. It's 28 feet long by 16 feet wide. There is so much room in here. All right, now we're gonna take a look at the outside. Coming out of the back door, you enter right onto this concrete covered patio. This is such a great space for relaxing and entertaining. This yard is fenced all the way around and even offers rear yard access by this double gate right over here to my left. Now, there's still more to see with that workshop. We're going to take a look at that right now. What a great bonus this is. How nice to have this additional workshop space, even complete with electricity, and it even has this additional overhang for some more shaded workspace. This home has so much to offer. Make your appointment today. My name is Carrie Lawless.